Store-safe site vehicle and ute boxes are built with theft deterrent features and longevity. The boxes you see here are all over 15 years old, some over 20 years old, still in service and still protecting tools and materials. The boxes were designed to be repaired and serviced should they need it. This box has had an attempt to break enter, where they tried to jimmy the lid open, causing damage and pushing the box around. This box is quite simply repaired. We'll replace the lid and straighten up certain sections of the metal. You may recall this box from earlier. As you can see by the severe cutting and trauma caused to the lid, quite simply again, just replace the lid, put it all back together. That box is ready to be returned to the construction site to protect more tools and materials. Store safe boxes are more expensive than those you can find in a hardware shop and tool store, simply because they're built with theft deterrent features. They're made out of Australian steel by Australian workers.